Oh, so I just got this text saying that my flight's delayed. So I guess I'm just gonna sit here. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, so we're scheduled to leave in, it was supposed to be an hour, now it's pushed back to like 5 p.m. So just to be hanging out, I guess.
So when an airline cancels a flight, they have to reaccommodate all the passengers that were on that flight onto different flights, and that can be very hard. So they currently have ticket agents doing it, but they do it by hand, and they don't always see the impact on the system that their decisions have. So what we have done is we created a software tool which allows airlines to optimally reaccommodate passengers with respect to passenger delay time, and this model takes into account many things, such as different passengers go to different locations, even if they're from the same airport. We think this software tool will be very useful in testing the robustness of schedules and in trying to repeal the tarmac delay law, which requires that the airlines pay a huge fine if passengers are sitting on the tarmac in a plane for 180 minutes.
Like, it's gonna be extremely.
My airline has decided to cancel my flight. Now I have to wait till tomorrow morning. I'm gonna miss my meeting. I have to sleep here.
So, it looks like I've been rescheduled for tomorrow. I'm probably gonna have to just like sleep here. I don't know. Don't have the money for the hotel. Amy's not paying me. I'm just gonna sleep here.
I've been on this airplane forever. I feel like if it lasts 5 more minutes, I'm gonna miss my connection.
I've been on this plane for like 2.5 hours. It's been so long. If we don't get off soon,
We've been sitting here forever. 1 more second, I'm gonna miss my flight.
So have you ever been on a plane and you've landed, but you have to wait on sitting on the tarmac for a long time? It seems like you're taxied in for maybe 20 or 30 minutes. Haven't gotten to your gate yet. Well, typically this is a problem with gate blockage delay, which is an inbound plane has to wait on the ground, not at its gate, because the plane at its gate that hasn't departed yet. So currently, airlines try to minimize this gate blockage delay, more or less observationally and anecdotally. So it's not quantitative at all. And so we thought that we could develop a tool, software, that would be able to minimize gate blockage delay time. And so we've built 3 models, each of which have different complexity levels and run times. So one of which doesn't take into account that airlines have different aircraft, so it doesn't take into account gate compatibility issues, whereas the other 2 do. In the end, we hope that these software tools will be able to give gate planners and network planners at various airlines the ability to create schedules that will minimize gate blockage delay.
Hi, my name is Chen, and I'm going into my 4th year in Industrial and Operations Engineering. Along with some other students, we've been working with Southwest Airlines to evaluate operational decisions from the perspective of weather impact. With airline operations, so many different factors are changing all the time: flight schedule, weather, crew allocations, resource allocations, and so on. In the midst of all of these changing factors, it's difficult to isolate and evaluate the effectiveness of operational and policy changes. For example, the winter of 2012 was very mild relative to most winters on record, so Southwest Airlines had great on-time performance. However, if they implemented new policies to improve their on-time performance during this time, they can't say with certainty that their new policies created these improvements. So our goal is to use flight and delay data combined with matching weather data to be able to isolate the effect of weather on the airline's on-time performance. Then, with weather effects extracted from the situation, we can effectively evaluate the impact of operational changes implemented by the airlines. We're still in the development stages of this project and are currently refining our data analysis methodologies, so we'll be moving forward throughout the upcoming academic year.